If you really want to speed up your tuning time, it's really important to use both a file guide and a diamond guide.
Many ask, when do I use a file guide and when do I use a diamond guide? The quick answer is use both, especially if you want to speed up your tuning time. For example, I can prep this new edge with my diamond guide and 200 diamond disc and immediately start filing the edge with my file guide, which means there's no changeover time. Then I can quickly transition back to my diamond guide and 400 disc to wet polish my edges, which requires no cleaning time. So toggling back and forth, you'll quickly realize this saves a considerable amount of time. Also, as you can see here, we have a limited adjustment with the rectangular stone on the file guide. However, with the disc, I can continuously turn it to find a clean section of diamond when it gets loaded with debris, making it more efficient. The diamond guides are also really beneficial when filing isn't necessary and you only need a quick tune-up. You can literally do it on the fly or in the parking lot. A well-tuned ski is without question a game changer, so if you can save time, we believe you'll be more likely to do it.